Illuminate your adventures with the Nilight LED pods. 2 pieces, 6.5-inch 120 watt triple row light bar flood spot combo. Engineered to deliver an impressive 12,000 lumens, these rugged LED pods are your ultimate companion for driving in challenging conditions. Whether you're navigating foggy trails or embarking on off-road excursions. Perfectly designed for versatility, the 6.5-inch pods project bright, penetrating light that combines flood and spot illumination to ensure maximum visibility across various terrains. Ideal for trucks, pickups, SUVs, ATVs, UTVs, 4x4s, vans, campers, and even boats, these lights seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's setup, providing a significant boost to both safety and performance. Installation is a breeze. With adjustable mounting hardware and a user-friendly design, you can effortlessly mount these pods to any vehicle. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or simply someone who values safety and visibility on the road, these LED pods are a must-have addition to your driving toolkit. Don't let darkness hinder your journeys. Equip your vehicle with the Nilight LED pods today and enjoy unparalleled brightness and clarity as you conquer the night.